took off the lens so I can clean it all thoroughly. I've already washed the lens slightly, just need to finish that. Backplate is a bit less to be desired. Ignore that. Look at how much better that looks. Now I can successfully put the lens back on. Actually, let me just remove this bit of paint first. That should fix it, Delegum. Okay. Just get in, you dingus. Yeah, because literally this wasn't, when this was installed, the lens wasn't even actually installed correctly. So, the front is practically done now. I just need to get some paint remover to get the paint off. But otherwise, it's practically in a much better condition. Now let's do the backplate. This is what happens when you have limited resources. This immediately reminds me of my Eat Vlogs 2 days, especially on that first ever bell box haul I got, which was... There is just one more step. We're ready. Let's see if this generic friggin' USB thing will actually work today. Let's turn the light off so you can see the LEDs better. LEDs are surprisingly bright. Should probably put it in SCB mode first. Strobe test. My power bank is literally acting up on the spot.